A very good evening, Team Zimbabwe, and welcome to Africa and Beyond Television Network. And this evening, let us take a look on what is happening in the nation of Zimbabwe. There was a ZANU PF press conference which was led by Chris Mutsvangwa, which was addressed by Chris Mutsvangwa. And in that press conference, something big was announced. This is the new name of President Emerson Dambudzo Mnangagwa. It's not me. Ndeve ZANU ikoko. Let us hear zvataurwa.
Zvekare ivo sapresident zita ravo ichaonekwa kunzi Mr Strong Ziggy, ivo zita ravo aMnangagwa, President Mnangagwa vanenge vakupiwa zita itsva rekuti Strong Ziggy. Vachaita zvese zvavanogona sapresident kuti zigi reZimbabwe rirambe rakasimba vachisapota Central Bank Governor vamushaya.
So let us hear for the second time.
Zvekare ivo sapresident zita ravo ichaonekwa kunzi Mr Strong Ziggy, ivo zita ravo aMnangagwa, President Mnangagwa vanenge vakupiwa zita itsva rekuti Strong Ziggy. Vachaita zvese zvavanogona sapresident kuti zigi reZimbabwe rirambe rakasimba vachisapota Central Bank Governor vamushaya vanhu.
So it's very interesting, Team Zimbabwe. Hanzi mukuru achaita zvese zvaanogona kuti zigi rirambe rakasimba. There is nothing bad by making sure that you maintain the stability of the currency, but the new name, Mr. Ziggy, Mr. Strong Ziggy, wasn't this sarcasm? So Chris Mutsvangwa, what Chris Mutsvangwa said here does not add up. This is, in my own view, this was quite a mockery, which was happening right here. So ZANU PF must understand that changing the president's name to Mr. Strong Ziggy does not make or does not bring confidence onto this Zig. Remember the last breakfast meeting which John Mushayavanu attended. He called stakeholders to come, they paid, and he came 3 hours late. That is what evaporates confidence. That is what makes people fail to have confidence in this system. You cannot call for a very important meeting and you come 3 hours later. It means you don't prioritize that meeting or this meeting. It doesn't prioritize the issues of policy. So that is a problem. So you see that ZANU PF has tried so hard during this press conference to paint the Zig with a golden brush, but it will not change the fact that people still do not trust the processes. People still do not trust what is really happening. What people need is a stability. What people need is a viable currency, a working currency. But right now, if you go into the bank, you cannot pay for the services in Zig. You have to deposit US dollars. That is a fact. Maybe these are banks which are sabotaging, but where is the RBZ at when all these things are happening? So we must start by seeing Zig being accepted. At the fuel stations.
Mr. Strong Ziggy, ivo zita ravo aMnangagwa, President Mnangagwa vanenge vakupiwa zita itsva rekuti Strong Ziggy. Vachaita zvese zvavanogona sapresident kuti zigi reZimbabwe rirambe rakasimba vachisapota Central Bank Governor vamushaya vanhu.
So there is nothing President Emerson Mnangagwa could do to save Zig. It's not the duty of the president. The duty is at the governor or on the governor, Mr. John Mushayavanu. He is the one who must make sure that he instills confidence into the people. But the start of Mushayavanu is already ruined because of his behavior. He comes to the meetings late. He equates Zig to Jesus Christ. he evades very important questions, and he joins the propaganda which has been peddled by his predecessor, John Mangagwa. So it seems as if all the policy is being constructed or is being cooked kushake building. Then you goes on the governor policy, minister policy, and it fails because it must serve the interests of ZANU PF first. So in those report, guys, Mr. President Mnangagwa is changing name to Mr. Strong Ziggy. That is according to Christopher Mutsvangwa. Let us see how changing name is going to make this currency more strong.